na nekindi twine kureba hanshonga ya Ebola is still here. Ebola is killing eyo murundo ogu nubageta bundu bujo strain. Ihanga tubire tumanyirire Sudan strain na Zaire strain. Classes itane zitwireho za Ebola zibiye zafunirwe emibazi. Konkeje izire ya bundu bujo strain ninsya, it is a new outbreak ombyanga hati ncho kiriyo nkiteganisa abantu. Uganda yereze kuchinga border, echo tukakiganira hijo borders ezo zikichinjire, and this is one of the interventions as government etire in place okurwana sendwarage. Echa kabiri you realize buru bishatu byo kwa mukaga hati kuturiyo running stories abana nkabahikana mugongo, but we are not doing that. Through consultation government na abanyamyogo mbyedini ekirecho bakachiyaho. Also nka measure yo kurwana sendwara ya Ebola etahirire ihanga. Up to now ombazi tukare buchiri kwonka hine nyuma abaza himbire njire, it is a public office na hikaho nimba ninda baraba mukurebe mbera and buryo mo abenataha mutaroho kunabira taroho koraki and these offices nizitaba mu leaders hati omoga gushemerere kutandikanimwe abebembezi okwa hindukurga hariyo statement negira ngo a good leader should lead by example. Nikwe baro kukigambo witu hati washango leader offices zo kushitama mutaroho mizi, offices zo kushitama mutaro any intervention yo kurwanisa Ebola hati nonoza kutandikira ikugambira abantu tumwerinde hot Ebola harihe kirukwanga